In this video, I will show you how to download Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, I'll be doing this today on an Android device, but the process is the same if you're using an iPhone. So if you're using an Android device, what you're going to want to do is open up the Play Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone, that's going to be the iTunes Store. And all you want to do is come up to the search box at the very top and go ahead and search for Monopoly Go. Now, at the moment, this is not available for PC. However, what you can do is download an app called BlueStacks. So you just want to go across to bluestacks.com. And what you can effectively do is play Monopoly Go through BlueStacks. So once you've gone ahead and searched for Monopoly Go, you can see it's here by Scopely. You want to click onto this and then press the blue install button. So it just takes a minute or two to run through and install Monopoly Go on your device. You can see it's 124 megabytes. So make sure you do have enough space on your device to successfully install Monopoly Go. So once that's gone ahead and installed, all you want to do is launch the app on your device. So you can either directly launch it from the Play Store or just go onto your apps and go ahead and launch it that way. It just takes a minute or two to load through. And once it's loaded through, you can either choose to play with friends using Facebook or you can play as a guest. What I would recommend is playing with friends, as it does save your progress. So it's going to come up with a notice saying it needs to access your Facebook account. Just go ahead and press confirm, and what it's going to do is locate your Facebook account. So if you have previously played Monopoly Go, you will notice that your account will be saved with its progress, so you don't actually lose anything. So what you can do is just press OK and load account. And once that's done, as you can see, we are now in Monopoly Go and we're ready to play. So that's how to go ahead and download Monopoly Go. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.